Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will take you through a full logo design project, from start to finish. You will see me sketching totally different ways, then I will show you how to make a grid system for this logo sketch. Make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information you find it in the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. My client asked me to design his logo in circle. His logo letter is SKC. So first you need to think, is this logo looking good in circle? For find the answer, go to Object, and click Envelope Distort and then select, Make with Mesh. Now take 4 rows and 4 columns, you can take more but 4 is good for this logo. Now draw a circle. Select the text in circle and make it middle align. Now you take the Move tool, and equal the text on the circle like this. After doing that, you need to understand, is it look good or not? If yes, you can make this logo using grid. Now think, how many lines need to design this logo? After thinking I find that, for design this logo, I need 12 lines only. So take a line segment tool and draw a line, and give it stroke color. Now copy the line tool, by hold Alt button, and for more copies, hold the Control button and pressing D. Now select Ellipse tool and draw a circle over these lines. Copy the circle and make a smaller like this. For K letter, we need to more copy this circle and rotate it. After doing this, now can you draw your logo letter over this? Do it carefully. After complete drawing letters, move this letters from lines. Now you can see, this is your logo. Now you can modifying this as like you want. I give it 4 points stroke for good looking. The C letter is now good. We can make it look good by doing this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help, feel free to comment in the comment section.